You are going to love the 2016 GLC. The Mercedes-Benz GLC sets the bar for the luxury SUV, a midsize SUV that's all lean muscle and has a roomy new cabin full of style and substance and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.